Hello guys, okay? My name is Jorge and we continue today with present simple, okay? Well, in my previous video, I said that we're going to see this part about present simple, about the structure. I will focus more about the structure and the spelling rules of this affirmative, the third person in singular, forms like negative and interrogative, and obviously the spelling rules. Okay, so let's start. Talking about the affirmative form. Okay, in affirmative form we have here two examples. I work in a company and he works in a company. Okay, so do you remember this change? When I say I work and when I say he works. Okay, so in my previous video I recommend, or I took the decision to divide the subject pronouns in two groups. I, you, we, they, my first group, and he, she, it, the second group. Okay, so this explanation is talking about this part, just this part, because with this we don't have any problem. It's okay, the verb doesn't suffer any change. That's why I'm going to just focus on this, okay, in spelling rules. So what are the rules and what are the changes? Okay, why do we change, or what forms do we change, how we change the verbs? Okay, number one, most of the verb we add the letter S with he, she, it. Okay, for example, if I say work, works, listen, listens, play, plays, travel, travels, visit, visits, stop, stops. Okay, I say I work, but he works. I listen, but he listens. I play, but he plays. I travel, but he travels. I visit, but he visits. I stop, but he stops. Okay? Next, number two. Verbs ending on the letters X, S, O, SH, CH. Okay? What do? We add the letters ES. Okay? ES. So, examples. I say, I fix, but he fixes. I finish, but he finishes. I do, but he does. I pass, but he passes. Okay? I watch, but he watches. Okay? Number three. This is our last point. Verbs which ending is consonant and the letter Y. Okay? Like a study. Study, consonant and Y. Cry, consonant and Y. Okay? So what do? We drop the letter Y, we change the letter Y, and we add I-E-S. Okay? Like study, we use studies. I study, he studies. I cry, okay? I cry, but he cries. Okay? And so on. Now, let's see the negative form. In negative form, obviously, we continue with this form, with these two groups. Okay, I, you, we, they, and he, she, it. We continue with that. Why? Because with I, you, we, and they, we use don't. And he, she, it, we use does. But how can I form these contractions? Here you are. Don't is the result of do plus not. Do not. Do not, we use don't. And doesn't is the result of does plus not. Okay? Does not. Does not, doesn't. My recommendation is that don't and doesn't can be used for speaking or for a colloquial or informal writing. Okay, informal writing. For formal writings, reports, or if you want to be very polite, okay, you're talking to your boss, for example, or to a person you don't know, you can use do not or does not. Okay, pay attention. And finally, what about interrogative? Well, in my previous video, I couldn't explain how can you answer questions in English. Okay, so here you have two groups. We continue with the two groups. Do you play the guitar? That's my question. Do you play the guitar? What would be your answer? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Okay? So remember, if you say yes, you play the guitar, you can play the guitar, you say yes, I do. Okay? But if you don't, if you cannot play the guitar, you say no, I don't. Okay? And what about the other story? Does he fix TVs? Is he a technician, for example? The answer, yes, he does. Or, no, he doesn't. Okay? So, here you have both forms, using do or using does. And remember that this auxiliary is here and also this here. Both are present in the answers. Okay? They are called short answers. Okay? Well, if you have some questions, please try to write a comment. Okay? Try to give me your suggestions, questions, or any other kind of information you want to know. Or if you want to know another kind of topics, I would like you to share in your comments. Okay? And probably I will make it new videos to help you improve your English. Okay? That's all for today, and thank you very much.